Model, 2020 Citroen Berlingo BLUEHDI 100S and SM1000 Enterprise Body, Grey, Panel Van Mileage, 84,523 MOT, 3 August 2025 Engine, 1,499 cc DV5RD Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, aircon, electric windows, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.